Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your password on Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox game. On the home screen, tap on the login option at the bottom center. Here you have to enter your Roblox account email and password. But if you forgot your password, you can still log in by resetting it. For that, close the Roblox game and open your browser. Here search for the Roblox password reset. Its website will open. Scroll a little down and tap on forgot password or username. On the next screen, you have to enter your Roblox account email, the email which you used for your Roblox account while making it. Now tap on submit. Your request for resetting password has been submitted. After that, check your inbox and you will get an email in which you have the option of reset password. Tap on it. Now enter new password which you want to use for your Roblox account. Enter one more time to confirm it, then tap on submit. Your Roblox account will open and now you can use it. And this is how you can reset your password on Roblox.